Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the various stages of additive manufacturing. In the previous video, we have already discussed what additive manufacturing is. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Some steps are to be followed to get a perfect 3D printed object. These steps are almost similar in many of the structures. There are mainly 8 steps to be followed in additive manufacturing. For simplification purpose, we have classified it into 3 simple steps, that is plan it, print it and perfect it. So let's see it in details. For manufacturing any component, we first have to select what is the matter to be printed, which is similarly followed by material selection, design, and modeling, and then choosing the right AM process according to the application. This is a crucial step that underpins important factors like material selection and design and modeling. For each component, these factors play a very important role in making the structure more comprehensive and dynamic, which proves to be helpful. Similarly, one has to choose an appropriate AM process that will suit the structure according to its design. The very first step of printing an object is to select what to print. In this step basically, we have to identify which components are suitable to print. As in the last video, we have mentioned the benefits of additive manufacturing. From that, we can say that there are no such criteria to select an object for printing. All types of the object we can print using additive manufacturing. Material selection is done according to product specifications. In this stage, we have to find in what environment does your component exist. Mostly thermal, mechanical, and electrical aspect is to be considered while selecting the proper material. Material selection is also proportional to the AM process. As different materials have different AM processes, importance must be given in this table. In design and modeling, we need to follow 3 steps. The first step is making a CAD model. Producing a digital model is the first important step in the additive manufacturing process. The most common method for producing a digital model is a computer-aided design, CAD. We can use various CAD software like CATIA, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, or any other software. Second step is the conversion of the CAD model into the .stl file. In this step, we need to convert the CAD model into an STL file. STL uses polygons to describe the surface of an object. There are several model limitations that should be considered before converting a model to an STL file, including physical size, water tightness, and polygon count. Import .stl file into Slicer software for building the supports. There are various types of additive manufacturing processes. For example, powder bed fusion, binder jetting, stereolithographic, and FDM. Choosing the correct AM process mainly depends on the material type and design requirements. If properly used, the final output of the product will be appreciable. Each process has its different characteristics which solely differ from the design and material type. At this stage, the print material is loaded into the printer. The machine will follow an automated process, and issues generally only arise when the machine runs out of material or there is an error in the software, and the printing method varies with the various printer like FDM, DLP, stereolithography. As per the design, the printer starts to deposit material layer by layer. 3D printing of the product is completely dependent on the design of the product. The printer interprets the design in the form of commands which are executed as per the design. This printing setup is to be done before printing the actual product. According to the setting, the product is printed the same as per the design and the final result is obtained. Post-processing. Post-processing procedures again vary by printer technology. For technologies that utilize support, this is removed at the post-processing stage. In this method, surface texture improvement, accuracy improvement, aesthetic improvement also done. Removal of prints. For some technologies, removal of the print is as simple as separating the printed part from the build platform. For other more industrial 3D printing methods, the removal of a print is a highly technical process involving precise extraction of the print while it is still encased in the build material or attached to the build plate. These methods require complicated removal procedures and highly skilled machine operators along with safety equipment and controlled environments.